if you want to use Google Pay on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer, and then in here we should be able to find Google Wallet app. Now, there is a chance that you won't have Google Wallet app, but that is okay. We can simply go to the Play Store and we can get the Google Wallet app for free. And this is the app that we use in order to set up our payment cards. So once you get the Google Wallet app, you want to open it, press on this plus button in the bottom right corner and choose payment card. You should be able to scan your credit or debit card and get all the details in the app. If not, then tap on enter details manually and fill everything in, and then you should be able to choose save and continue. In some cases, your bank or banks in general might require you to wait for verification. So unfortunately, in that case, you just have to be patient and wait for the verification to be done. And in some cases, banks do not require that. So once you add your payment card to the wallet app, you can use it pretty much straight away. And that's how we can set up our Google Pay. And if you want to pay with your phone, of course, NFC has to be enabled. And if you have the device unlock requirement enabled, then you have to have your phone unlocked as well. And then you just place your phone on the terminal just like you do with a payment card, and you should be able to pay with your phone. You can, of course, add multiple cards into the Google Wallet app. So you can have 2, 3, 4, as many cards as you wish to, I guess. And if you want to use the default card, the card that is set up as the default one, then you don't have to go to the wallet app if you want to pay with your phone. You can just simply be on the home screen, for example. And in case you want to pay with another card other than the default one, then in that case you also have to open the wallet app. And in the case of NFC, if you don't know where it is, you can open settings, go to connected devices, then connection preferences, and then in here we have NFC. Leave a like and subscribe.